Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from Vision. In today's video I will be talking about the Baseus Handheld Gimble. This video was requested by one of the subscribers of my channel. He wanted to know what this gimbal comes with and also provide a sample review. So let's do the unboxing together, and I will also give some sample review about it. Alright, so as you guys can see that this gimbal is coming with two parts. So it's like basically two boxes. On the first box, a small box, is the tripod. So first of all, I don't know why they actually couldn't create a bigger box or some way put the tripod inside the box. So okay, so let's do the unboxing of the tripod. Just to mention, I have already unboxed it and used it a couple of times already and tested. Kind of liked it. And also on the short which was created about this gimbal, a lot of people was complaining that this gimbal may be making noise, which is not so. You know, I just put it simple effects on it. Okay, so as you can see, that is how you can use the tripod. Just open it and you can use it. So the tripod goes actually underneath here. It will be attached on that side. All right, so let's unbox the gimbal itself and check it. Alright, so let's put the tripod on side for now. Okay. Okay, so as you can see that this there's nothing else inside the box. Okay, so let's throw the box on side. What comes first of all, you got some user manual, so it's on Chinese language and on English, of course. So that's quite handy. I've used that one because on some of the things I didn't know it, so I used that. So that's quite handy to know that. Okay, and then you got some follow our social media. Okay, not interested at the moment. Okay, so first of all, I liked the box is actually quite secure, so nothing will happen. And it's actually very small, as you can see. That is like around maybe 3 fingers. Okay, so let's open up. Okay, so what we got here, the gimbal itself, as you can see that I didn't use that one often, and still kind of attached. Everything is still attached. The stickers are still attached here. Okay, so let's open up here. What we got over here, it is actually the cable for charging it. So that is USB, micro USB to USB. So that is the micro USB part and USB, of course. And alright, so let's put that on side. And also the metallic, I don't know what you call that, you know, the metallic weight, extra weight that you can see here was inside that box as well, but I have already removed that one because I need to use that. Okay, so let's remove that. Okay, we don't need the box anymore. Okay, so let's check what is what and start from there. Okay, first of all, first thing first, if you turn it around, that is the micro USB port for charging this device. And then you got the trigger button. Here you got the zoom in and zoom out button or regulator that you can say. But to use that function and to use the record function, you need to download the app from the Google Store, Play Store, or from the App Store for the iPhone users. And then you will need to connect your phone via Bluetooth to that device. Okay. Okay, let's check the front. So what we got here, power button for turning on and off, the record button, as I mentioned before. What is the purpose of that? The battery indicator, and you got the M for manual indicator. Alright, so what else? Okay, and how to use that handheld gimbal is very simple. You need to just turn it on, just long press, okay, and then just simply open it, and you need to insert your phone over here. For the people with bigger phone, especially like iPhone Pro Max or Samsung is 2021 if I'm not wrong. You can't still kind of extend that. As you can see, that is the max that this can open it. I'm using Self iPhone Pro Max and I've used that one a year. But one thing that I've noticed that whenever I'm using my iPhone Pro Max, I'm removing the iPhone cover because otherwise it won't fit. Because whenever you attaching your phone, it should be actually going from here and then kind of fit here, kind of attached over here. All right. Okay, so keep in mind that you need always to remove the cover of the phone. Okay, so on the short which I've created, there was a lot of comment that people are saying that this handheld is making noise. That is not the case. It was actually a special effect on the short, which is actually not making at all. So let's test that one. Okay, so the trigger button, I'm holding the trigger button for controlling it. As you can see, I'm moving around and it still stands on the same place. Okay, so let's check it. As you can see, there is no noise at all. Alright, so okay, that is it. Let's try the tripod. So I will turn it off, of course. It is very simple. Just attach the tripod to it. Open it. Alright. And there you go. It is very easy to use. One thing that I have actually liked about this device is that you can actually control it with another phone. So if you got one phone for recording it, you will attach one phone over here, and then the second phone where actually the app is installed and is connected to the handheld, you still can actually control that handheld. That is what I have done on the short video. So I had phone attached over here with another phone. I was still controlling it while I was filming it. So that's how I did it, and you can do that. So on distance of 10 meters, you can just open the tripod, put the phone over here, and put on the phone on record mode. Still, you can control even the record and zoom function from that another phone as well. So that is how I did. Anyway, guys, so that was actually the short unboxing in review about it. But one thing that I forgot to mention, this device costs $99 in the United States, and you can buy it in Europe from Amazon.com, also for 89 or in some cases 79 euros, or buy it from 99 euros from bol.com and Coolblue, especially in Netherlands. Anyway, guys, if you want me to test that device, make another video for testing it or something else, please leave a comment below. Once again, thank you very much for visiting my channel and have a great day.